Multiply 67 by 104 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Put 8 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 6 plus the carried 2 is 26. The first partial product is 268. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 6 is 6. The third partial product is 6,700. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 0 plus 7 is 9. In the thousands column, bring down 6. The whole negative number product is 6,968. So 67 times 104 is 6,968.